Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of cream of mushroom soup. It's simple to cook yet so delicious. It's full flavored with garlic, onions and herbs, subtle enough to shine through and complement the natural flavors of mushroom without overpowering it. It is a bowl of warm and creamy goodness, and if you are mushroom fan, you gotta try this for sure. So let's get started. For making this delicious bowl of soup, the ingredients that I have used are less than quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of maida or refined flour, or you can use normal atta also, a cup of fresh cream, salt around 1 teaspoon, milk around half a cup, and I have taken 1 finely diced onion and garlic around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and mushrooms around 200 grams. And mushrooms, I'll show you how we have to peel the skin off. You don't have to keep them soaked in water. You have to wash them under running water. You can see how the white skin comes off. So this way you have to peel off. There's a thin layer of skin that comes off. You can dice or chop mushrooms like this, thinly sliced, or you can make 1 into 4 like this. So it depends on you. And then I have taken butter, around 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I have heated up butter in a pan. We have to keep low flame here, and then we have to add onions and garlic. Onions and garlic should be finely diced. We have to wait till they become translucent. So here you can see, you can take oil instead, some refined oil if you don't have butter. I have taken salted butter. You can take unsalted butter also, that's also fine. Then you need to be careful with salt. And then we will add mushrooms. After adding mushrooms, we have to wait because mushrooms will start releasing their water, and we have to saute them till the water dries up. So here you can see, we'll mix them properly and wait. Here the flame is between low to medium. It should not be high. So here you can see mushrooms have started to release water, and we have to wait for it to dry. Then we'll be adding atta or flour. If you have taken wheat flour, that's also fine. And now I'll be adding maida, and we have to keep stirring so that it mixes properly and that the raw smell of flour should go away. Here also the flame is medium. Saute it on medium or low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. And then I have added black pepper powder, and then I'll be adding milk. I have added half a cup, and then I'll be adding water. If you have vegetable stock, you can add that too. So here you can see, and then I'll be adding water. It's around 1 cup of water I'll be adding. And then I'll add fresh cream, and then I'll add fresh cream, stir and let it cook. And here we will add salt also. You need to be careful with salt. If you have taken salted butter, so it might be salty already. You can check according to your taste. And then you can add some herbs, anything of your choice, thyme, rosemary. So I'm adding some coriander leaves here, fresh coriander. You have to keep checking thickness also in between, so I'll keep stirring in between. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to cook it. Here you can see the thickness. Here the delicious cream of mushroom soup is ready to be served. It's served hot. You can see the consistency also. So here the hot and scrumptious soup is ready. You can add some cheese also for extra flavor, and you can enjoy it with bread. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.